Today, I'll walk you through how to set up a complete content management system in Obsidian, turning your vault into a powerful content operations hub. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian and then open your content vault. This is the folder where all your notes and files live. You'll want to create a dedicated folder structure to keep everything organized. Click New Folder and create the following 5 folders: Ideas, Drafts, Published, Research, and Assets. These will serve as the backbone of your content workflow, separating raw inspiration from finished pieces and everything in between. Now, click New Note to create a central command center. Name this note Content Dashboard. Inside this dashboard, you'll add internal links to each of your folders by typing double square brackets around each folder name. So you'll add links for Ideas, Drafts, Published, Research, and Assets. This dashboard becomes your launchpad. 1. Click takes you to any stage of your content process. Open the Ideas folder and click New Note. Name this note Content Ideas. This is where you'll capture every topic idea, potential title, and different content angles. Don't worry about organization yet. Just dump everything here so you never lose a spark of inspiration. Next, open the Research folder and click New Note. Create a research note where you'll save references, statistics, quotes, and any resources you find. Having a dedicated spot for research keeps your drafts clean and your facts easily accessible when you're ready to write. Now, open the Drafts folder and click New Note. Create a draft for your actual content. Within this note, add sections like title, outline, draft, and call to action. This structure ensures every piece of content has a clear framework before you start writing in earnest. To connect related notes, simply type double square brackets around the name of any other note in your vault, for example. You can type Research Note right inside your draft. This creates a live link so you can jump between your draft and your research instantly without digging through folders. To keep everything searchable and organized by type, add tags at the bottom of your notes. Tag content with labels like HIS blog, YouTube, HIS newsletter, or social media. These tags let you filter and find content by platform later. Finally, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open Obsidian's command palette. From here, you can search for any content note in your vault instantly. This is your shortcut to never losing a file again. You've now built a complete content management system in Obsidian, from idea capture to publication. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.